This coop here is known as the Alumi-Coop Broiler. This one in fact is the Broiler Maxi. The broiler is 12 by 12 feet or 3.6 by 3.6 metres. This one here has a second section which is 3.6 by 7.2 metres in total length with a dual wheel system. The broiler has a single wheel unit just like the traditional Alumi-Coops, whereas the Broiler Maxi, this one has dual wheels. To move them, you just lift the bar as with a regular Alumi-Coop and it moves along, glides beautifully. With the Broiler Maxi, you have a hook that allows you to hook the handle into the raised position so that multiple people can push it long distances or uphill if needed. The broiler features 4 tray feeders with an anti-chick spinner to prevent them roosting in the tray feeders overnight, while the Maxi has 8 tray feeders. Both units feature an aluminium water tank with large capacity that feeds Plasson bell drinkers. This watering system means that you only need to fill up your waterer every 3 to 5 days. As with all Alumi-Coops, the canvas cover is marine grade. The bright white ensures that it stays cool even in the heat of the Aussie sun. The broiler units use a dual bungee system. This allows you to simply peel back the tarp to fill up the feed trays.